How to sign up for Japo wallet account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can create or open Xapo wallet account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. First thing first, open up the wallet. You can get it on your Play Store or App Store. Once you do so, at the bottom you can see the enter email option. Simply tap on enter email, tap on continue, and allow the notifications and such. If you want, you can tap on not for now as well. Then you want to go ahead and enter in your email address. So I'll just enter in my email address here and then tap on send verification link. Once you do so, you're gonna swipe it and you're good to go. And you can see the verification process and it's processing. So it will send a verification to my mail. So you can see now, I'll just open my email here real quick. So as you can see, the email address, your verification link has come up. So I'll just tap on verify email and it should again take me back to the application. As you can see, it is taking me back here and your action was successfully processed. Now it's taking me up to the login page probably, where I'll have to go through the prompts where I'll have to enter in my name. So I'll just enter in my name here and my last name. Then tap on create my account. Then again swipe it here. You're good to go. So if you have a referral code, you can see you can use the option at the bottom that says do you have a referral code as well. So make sure to use it. And then you want to enter in your country here. I'll just enter in my country and phone number. So you can see I've entered in. So I'll use WhatsApp to get the code. You can use the SMS as well. I'm having some issues lately with receiving the SMS code, so I'm using the WhatsApp option. So I'll head over to WhatsApp and I should be able to get the code. So as you can see, my code is here and I can tap on verify number and I'm good to go. So you want to select why do you want to join, keep my savings safe, give the USD account, buy UTC. So you can select multiple options that you want. And then where did you first hear about Japo? You can see, you can choose the option. Do I have that? Then it'll go through the completing application process and you can see the account is created. I can tap on continue to my account and I'm signed up here, all good. So this is how you can sign up to Japo wallet account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.